Hi students. To now we have completed fourth units. That is the last lesson we discussed. That is reproduction. And today class we are going to enter into the age of adolescence. So this is very important lesson for you. This lesson is especially for the 8th class students. It's begin with the you are entered into the adolescence, the age of adolescence. So according to your textbook, so there is a Navin is there, it's Navin. So the parents are very much worrying about this Navin. Why? Because he is not listening their parents what they are saying. So he is feeling a reckless fellows when he coming from when he going from school to the home. He is throwing his books from here to there. So when their parents are calling, he is not listening. If their parents are saying, please go to the market and bring some vegetables, he is not caring. He is not listening, not at all listening their parents. What could be the reason? So he feeling like speaking to their relatives, speaking their if any relatives comes or any friends comes, he has become very shy to speaking with them. He also feeling very sad when speaking to the opposite sex. Like if the boy is there, the Navin is feeling very shy to speaking with the girl. Girl are speaking very shy to speaking with in front of the boys. What could be the reason of this? Why this Navin is behaving like this? Their parents are very much worried. What happened this Navin? In 5th class he read very well. In 6th class he was very good. In 7th class his behavior is very good. His character is very good. But when he entered into the 8th class, why he is behaving like this? May your parents also worrying about seeing you. Why you are behaving like this? You are not listening your parents' voice. So what your parents are saying, you are not listening or don't caring sometimes. What could be the reasons? So you are generally entered into the age of adolescence. So because of age, during 10 to 19 years age comes under the adolescence. Navin grandmother saying, Navin parents, because he is in the growing stage, so that's why he is not listening your voices. What you are saying, he don't care because he is growing. He is in growing stage. So the period between 10 to 19 years, the age between 10 to 19 years, age is called as adolescence. The periods between 10 to 19 years. So now you are 8th class, you are maybe between 10 to 19 years. You already entered into the adolescence age. That's why some students, they are not taking care, they are not listening their parents. If you go to market, they say no, I will not go, I am busy. If you come to the school, they will throw their bags, they will throw their books, they will sit in the corner, they will watch TVs, they will take mobile, they will play the games. So what their parents are saying, they will don't care. Because you are in the age of adolescence. There are so many changes will take place in the adolescence. In the external characters, in the internal body also, we can see there are so many changes will take place in this adolescence age. How can we know whether you are entered into the adolescence identify. Have you reached the age of adolescence? Have you? Question about yourself. Have you reached? Have you reached the age of adolescence? Have you reached the age of adolescence? Question about yourselves. Let's come to the textbook. Take the textbook. There are some questions they have given in your textbook. I will read the questions. Put yourselves yes or no. Put yourselves yes or no. Analyze about yourselves whether you enter into the adolescence or no. The first question is mustache growing on your upper lips? The first question is the mustache is growing on the upper lips? This mustache is growing in the boys only. We can see some characters, some changes in the boys, some changes in the females. Externals characters and internal characters we can see in both boys and males. Mustache will grow on the boys only, but mustache is nothing but measles. On the upper lips, if the mustache is growing, if they are growing started small mustache, so you entered into the adolescence. Not female, don't check female. Mustache will grow in the boys only. So the next question. Did your voice change? Did your voice change? We can see hoarse voice, horror voice in boys. When they are small, when they are 5th class, 4th class, their voice is very sweet. Compared to the boy's voice, female voice are very sweet. Girls' voice is very sweet. But voice become very horror because there is epiglottis is present. There is a huge gap is present in the windpipes. Due to the windpipe, we can see the larynx is present inside the neck. Larynx, stiff box. So girls' voice is very sweet. When they are singing song also, it's very beautiful. We can listen. When boys are singing, we can't listen. So mostly boys will not sing. So when they are growing, the voice will become very hard. But the girls' voice become very sweet. Next one is hair growing under armpit or genital region? So the hair will grow in the armpits. The small hair started growing in the armpits and in genital regions. So in the testes, in females, in the uterus, the hairs will started growing. So, are there pimples or acne on your faces? When students are entering to the 8th class, 9th class, we can see the pimples. Why these pimples we can see on the faces? Because of the pressure. Because of the recklessness, they will feel more pressure. Oh, everything I am doing, nobody is caring, nobody is taking care of me. Oh, they will feel lonely, who I am. Due to the pressure, we can see the acne or pimples on their faces. These are common acne or pimples on the faces of the girl or boy. Next, are you taking care of your face by applying powder, combing your hair frequently? So this can do girls mostly. They always go in the front of the mirror, they will face They will see their face in the mirror. So how I am, how beautiful I am. They will combing their hairs by the combs. They will apply the powders. Don't apply the charcoals. You can apply the powder on your faces. So some people they will use some like there are so many Vaselines, like there are so many different types of products is there available in the market. They will apply on the faces. So the boys doesn't take it. Some boys also they will see the mirrors their faces. They will take the mirrors in their packet also. They will carry. Okay. So these are some characters we can see. Are you looking your face in the mirror frequently? Some students they will see their face in the mirror after 10 minutes, after 5 minutes, after 1 hour. They can't sleep without seeing their faces in the mirrors. So we can do so in this age because of this is the adolescence age. They will see in the mirrors. Oh, they will do style in the mirrors. Okay, next one is. Are you feeling shy when you are talking with the opposite sex? If boy is talking with a girl, they will feel very shy. Okay, good. So, if girl also speaking with the boys also, they will feel very shy. They don't want to play with the boy to the girl. Girl don't want to play with the boy because they will feel shy because they are in adolescence age. These are the characters we can see. Are you showing restlessness while your parents suggest you to do something? If your parents suggested you to do this one, so you feel like restlessness. So you feel like very tired. I can't do mama this because of restlessness, because of this busy work, because of this adolescence. So are you interested to play with opposite sex, which you have done earlier? So these are the characters. If you have these characters in you, there is no doubt you enter into the adolescence age. Some students, if you do not have these characters, you still not entered into the adolescence. So not all these characters. You may have some characters. So I read out all these questions within you. So this is have you reached the age of adolescence or not? Put question marks, yes or no. Are you seeing your face in the mirrors? Are you combing your hairs? If the pimples growing on your face, are you shy with talking with a boy to girl, girl to boy? Are you feeling recklessness when your parents suggest you to some things? Or some hairs growing on the mustache, hair growing on the genital regions or armpits? These are the characters of. So, have you reached the age of adolescence? They have given a beautiful pictures in your textbook. Look at this. This boy is. So when he entered to the elders, like 8th class students, if you enter 9th and 10th class students, what they will say? What they will say? You are not old enough to sit with us. Go and play. They will send you away. Oh, appude peddodu ayipoyinavara maathu koosuntunnavu. Get out. They will say like this. If you go to the 9th class, 10th class students. If you want to play with the 6th class students, 7th class students, what they will say? Anna, you are elder than me. Please don't play with us. You go. What they will say? You are too old to play with us. Please go. Then the boy is very frustrated. So, who am I? If I go to 9th class student, they will say, you are very smart. If I go to 7th and 6th class, they are saying, you are very elder. Then who am I? So, are the age of adolescence. In the adolescence, we can see so many changes in the internal body and so many changes in the external body also. What changes we can see internal and what changes we can see external body. For example, the height will be increased. In the age of adolescence, the height will be increased. That is the specific characters we can see by externally. By externally we can see the changes in the height rate. Weight also increase, height also increase. Specifically we can see the height. 8th, 9th, 10th, first year, second year, during this adolescence age, we can see so many changes of height in the students. So how can we compare this height? Observing growth rate in female and in girls and boys. How this growth rate will increase in boy and girls. Look at, there is a table has given in the textbook. So come to the table, observing the growth rates. So age in year, age in year, percentage of maximum height in boys, percentage of maximum, percentage of maximum height, percentage of maximum height in boys, percentage of maximum height in girls. Percentage of maximum height in girls. So in your textbook they have given some percentage. You can write. So in the age of 8, the age of 8, the maximum percentage of height in boys is 72 centimeter. But in girls, 77 centimeters. In the age of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, finally 19, until 18. How much they will increase their height? So in the age of 9, so boys is 75 centimeters, girls reach 81 centimeters. In the age of 10, boys reach 78 centimeters, girls reach 84 centimeters. So you can see the differences. In the age of 11, boys reach 81 centimeter, but girls is 88 centimeter. In the age of 12, boys reached 84 centimeter, girls reached 91 centimeter. In the age of 13, boys reached 88 centimeter, but the girls reached 95 centimeter. In the age of 14, boys reached 92 centimeter, girls reached 98 centimeter. In the age of 15, boys reached 95 centimeter, girls reached 99 centimeter. In the age of 16, boys reached 98 centimeter, but the girls reached 99.5 centimeter. In the age of 17, boys reached 99 centimeter, girls reached 100 centimeter, 100%. In the age of 18, girls reached boys reached 100%, girls also reached 100%. So this is about age in year, percentage of maximum height in boys, percentage of maximum height in girls. So when you are 8 years, boys, they reach 72%. Girls reach 77%. In the 9 years, 75%, 81%. What we can observe these tables. Girls' percentage is more when compared to the boys' rate. Girls will grow very fastly compared to the boys. But in 18 years, both are reached same percentage. In 17, so what happens? See, so in 15 years, girls maximum height rate is 90. Then it stops 90, 99.5, 100, hundreds. So they will grow very fastly, but in the end of 17, 18, 19 years, they will grow very slowly. But in boys, during first years, in 8 years, 9 years, their percentage is very slow, but in the last, in the finally, they will grow very fastly. So this is the differences of age and the percentage of maximum height in the boys and the percentage of maximum height in the girls. How you can calculate your age? So the maximum height that you gain, maximum height that you gain is present height centimeter, present height centimeter by percentage of full height at this age. Percentage of full height at this age into 100. For example, Naveen is 13-year-old. Naveen is a 13-year-old. So the present height is 125 centimeter. Naveen present height is 125 centimeter. Percentage of full height at this is 95. 13 years, 95. For example, if you take any girls, 95. Boys, 88. For example, Sneha is a 13-year-old. Naveen is a 13-year-old. So how much they will increase in their heights? 120 by 95 into 100 is called 131.5 centimeter. So in future, so the maximum height that you gain is 131.5 centimeters. Present height by, so the year, so present height by the year, so what the percentage, and into 100 you can get your maximum height. Okay students, so today homework is, so there are some questions is there. The table 2, write the name of the students. First one you have to fill the table 1. Write this table 1 and you have to compare the percentage between girl and boy percentage. How much percentage they are growing? How much percentage they are growing? Girl are going very fast or boy are going very fast. And find out your age by using this formula. Present height, percentage of full height is age as given in the chart. Percentage of height. If you are 8 years, you are boy 72, girls are 77. 9 years, 75, 81. You can use this percentage and you should identify your future height. And the another one is table 2. Name of the student, write the name of the student, age, present height, what is the present height, and maximum growth in height in future. Homework is you have to fill this table using this formula. You have to write your friend name, age, present height. So for example 20, if you are 25 centimeters, present height, percentage. You can see the percentage. If you boys, you can see the percentage here, girls percentage here, into 100 divided 125 divided by 95 into 100, you can get future, and this is the homework. Okay, thank you.